Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Pixel Vocal Lark X wireless microphone system for a review. The Pixel Vocal Lark X is a compact wireless microphone system with two microphones and just one receiver, designed for video content creators, podcasters and vloggers. It offers a complete solution for recording clear dialogue, interviews and speech with two people talking simultaneously directly to a mirrorless DSLR camera, an iOS Android smartphone tablet equipped with a 3.5 headphone jack or a laptop desktop computer, or using the included adapter to a PA system. The lightweight Vocal Lark X consists of two compact clip-on transmitters, each with its own built-in microphone. It also comes with a tiny receiver that mounts on a plugs directly into your camera or phone using the included 3.5 mm cables. To create clear and consistent audio, the wireless microphone adopts a latest wireless lapel microphone algorithm. Compared to the General Edition Lark, it can more sensitively pick up sound around and greatly reduce mechanical vibration and environmental noise. The transmitter TX of the lavalier microphone is as light and compact as a Hershey chocolate bar. It can be clipped to clothing without causing notice. The receiver RX of the wireless microphone for camera is so lightweight that it can be easily mounted to a DSLR. These features make the wireless lavalier microphone very suitable for outdoor and indoor recording. The USB-C charging is a good speed, but averages about an hour from dead to full. With a fully charged, each TX works for up to 4 hours and the RX operates up to 8 hours in optimal conditions. The wireless lavalier microphone kit automatically gets paired once the RX matches the TX. TX of the lavalier microphone wireless is extremely user-friendly, so you can fully operate it by simply pressing the red button. Unlike 2.4 GHz UHF tech has been applied to transmit clear audio, the lavalier microphone wireless performs excellently in dense Bluetooth and Wi-Fi environments. 18 compatible channels have been carefully selected to ensure the steady connection between TX and RX to reproduce continuous audio. By using the external antenna provided, the audio range is further and the signal is more stable in consistent radio frequency environments. High sound pressure level capability enables the wireless lapel microphone to show distortion-free effects in most conditions, making it widely applicable. These are good microphones for recording with additional capabilities of adding overlay track directly into the feed. I feel the microphones are easy to attach and compact with clear sound quality recording. If you are a YouTuber and looking for a microphone for outdoor or indoor shooting, just go for this. I had a lavalier microphone which restricts me from moving around the source and hence planned to look for a wireless microphone. I love this Pixel Lark X for all the below reasons. First, it has two transmitters, so I can use one for me and other for the person whom I am going to interview. Both the transmitters and receiver are rechargeable. The 3-in-1 cable that comes with the box helps me to charge all the devices at the same time. This supports recording sound to DSLR, smartphone including Android and iPhone, you need a 3.5mm to Lightning port jack through. All the devices, cables, chargers, everything comes up in a nicely case. I definitely recommend it anyone who are looking for an excellent quality microphone. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see a video like this. Bye!